Hello, welcome to BMeks Info Channel. Is your computer struggling to keep up in games? Stutters, lag, low FPS ruining your games? In this video, I will show you simple but powerful tweaks to boost your FPS, reduce lag, and make your games run smoother and faster without the need for new hardwares. Let's unlock your computer's real gaming performance tips. Stay with me as I take you through the tips. Please subscribe if these work for you. Step 1. Go to your Windows search bar and type Settings, and when that opens, just go straight to System Display and select HDR. Make sure the HDR level is turned to 0 and then go to Brightness. Make sure the brightness is increased 200. Make sure it is increased 200. At the left-hand side, select Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Bluetooth and Devices and make sure you turn all this off. And this will make your FPS to really work faster without interference from these devices. Again, go to your left-hand side. Select Advanced Display Settings. And you have to set your display options as shown on the screen. And then you have to also go to the left-hand side at the top. You see Apps, click on it and then go to Installed Apps. Here, you have a view of all the applications you've installed that are currently running in your system. Make sure you uninstall some of these applications, especially the one with high impacts and huge memory space. This will make your gaming to be faster as well. Go through the applications and uninstall some of them. And then you have also to check your storage. Go to Storage. And head straight to Storage Sense and make sure it is turned on. If it is off in your system, Storage Sense, turn it on. And from here also, you can go to the storage and check some of the files and folders you may need to delete. This will make your system to be lighter and will also boost your gaming experience. Like I said earlier, at the left-hand side, select Network and Internet. Modify the settings to suit your demand. I did a video on how to boost your internet speed. Check it out in my playlist. Just go through my channel playlist and you see a lot of videos on internet connectivity, boost, and how to resolve slow browsing issues. Then, you have to also go to your gaming at the left-hand side and turn this to important settings on. I will show you what to do on that. LTS, go to Other Tips. The next tip involves going to your Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Cell set Hardware and Sounds and then click on Power Options. From here, select Create a Power Plan. Choose High Performance. Then click on Advanced Power Settings. Again, select Custom Power Plan you have chosen.
Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head.
You have to click on the plus option on the processor power management to reveal minimum and maximum processor states.
I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Click on the plus sign on Set Minimum Processor State. Here set the number to 0. And then click on the plus sign on Set Maximum Processor State. Set the numbers here to 100 as shown on the screen. Like I said earlier, While choosing a new plan, it may appear as Plan 3 or Plan 4, but when you custom it, make sure to set the minimum and maximum processor state to 0 and 100 respectively. Make sure what you customized is the higher performance plan. Once again, make sure you set the minimum processor state to 0. Everything under that minimum should be set at 0. And the maximum processor state set to 100. This is very crucial for better FPS and gaming experience. To optimize the gaming mode, type settings on your Windows search bar, click Open. Go to the left-hand side and select Gaming. From here, turn game mode on. Some people may advise otherwise, but I prefer to turn it on as it makes my gaming more enjoyable. Please share your experience on this. Again, select Graphics. Turn optimization for Windows Game on. That will make your gaming to really be faster and more enjoyable. So that is how to optimize the game mode plan for your FPS in Windows 11. It is as simple as that, and I've just showed you how to go about it. Follow what I did on the screen and you will see a massive improvement on FPS. And here comes a powerful CMD prompt to address any system files or application errors that might have set your gaming experience. From your Windows search bar, type in CMD. Click Open and run as administrator. In the command prompt, type sfc/scanO. Hit Enter on your keyboard to run it. And once the process is completed, restart your system to enable Thefects. This will run a deep scan to resolve all issues such as lag, file error, virus issues in your computer. And now, type System Configuration in your search bar. Click Open. Select Boot tab and then Advanced Options. Here, click on the pull-down menu and select the highest number there. Click OK. Likewise, go to the timeout option and set it to 5 seconds. Click Apply and OK. Restart your system to enable the effects. To clean and clear system cache for best FPS, go to your Windows search bar, type Run. Click OK. Type an intent to view all temporary folders and files generated every second by your system. These clog your system and make it less effective for daily use, including gaming. Press Ctrl on your keyboard to select all of them and right-click on your mouse to delete them. Just the steps displayed on the screen to clear them. Just select Skip to continue the delete process until everything is cleared. And finally, go to your Windows search bar. Type Run as you did earlier. Click OK. In the Run dialog box, type an %temp%. Click OK to view all the temporary files and folders generated by all the apps running in your computer. There are many of them, and these limits your FPS and your system performance in general. Just press Ctrl on your keyboard to select all of them and right-click on your mouse to delete them. Keep on clicking on Skip until everything is deleted. Make sure to restart your system after each of these tips to enable the changes you have made. Please, we need your support. Subscribe to help this channel grow. We would be happy to receive your feedback and comments at the comments section on any of these tips.